Hey y'all, if you like banana bread, banana nut bread, strawberry bread, cinnamon bread, this recipe is for you. This is an applesauce bread. And you know that applesauce used in any type of cake recipe or bread recipe is going to bring you a lot of moisture. So, and this is easy. It's an easy recipe. I'm going to start with a stick of butter. Always a stick. And I'm going to get every bit of that, every bit of that butter. I've got my brown sugar here, and I'm just going to cream this together. And my butter is nice and soft. Okay, now I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add an allspice, a cinnamon, a salt, a baking powder, and a baking soda. And I'm going to just mix that up real good. Slow down. I see I see spices going everywhere. I'm going to add in my eggs. All right. Now I'm going to add my flour. I'm going to add in my applesauce. Love all those smells. And they make our house smell so good. Linton came over the other day, well, the triplets, and Linton walked in. He said, "It smells so good in here." And I thought that was so cute that he's starting to pick up on the fact that when you come to Guinea's house, you can smell something good. All right. Teaspoon of vanilla. And I'll mix. Oh, that vanilla smells so good. We got to get started making some vanilla. We're starting to get a little low.
Yeah, we made so much of it.
Yeah.
This spring.
Yeah. Okie doke. So I'm just going to stir in my raisins. And I'm using golden raisins. And I'm using chopped walnuts. Ooh, this is going to be so good. All right, so I'm using the nonstick with flour because it just works so much better than the regular nonstick. Especially when it comes to cakes, you need that flour. I'm making a mess. Okie doke. I'm going to just kind of twirl that around so it'll get evened out. In the oven, 350. 350 for about an hour. So you'll just have to keep an eye on it. And a toothpick inserted in the center, if it comes back with no batter on it, then it's a good chance it's ready. or it'll start pulling away from the pan. That's two good ways to make sure your cake is done or your bread, whatever you're baking. Y'all ready for some applesauce bread? It smells so good. I know that I am. Now see how clean that came out, y'all, because I used the baking nonstick that has flour in it. It smells so good. Now I got a little cream cheese out. I got the butter standing by. And I don't know if it's my oven or what, y'all, but I only cooked this for 35 minutes. And it says 50 to 60 minutes, I think. Look at that. So you can pick your poison. Cream cheese, some kind of preserves, or butter. This is a good bread because it's not overly sweet. And I always prefer I love those raisins in it. I always prefer my breads like this to be toasted. I like to put a little butter in them, put them in like cast iron skillet and toast it. Or put a little butter on it, throw it in my air fryer and toast it that way. But this is good. It's a keeper. Yum. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.